Video we will be looking at how to show a specific area to be highlighted much better while presenting like this in here. I am trying to show that there is a bed lights, then I want to show the to sofa, and then this chair, then the other sofa chair, then bridge, and again back to wall picture. So how to do this kind of an animation where we can actually highlight some of the important aspects through graying out all the other part of the image. So let's start. We have to take one image which is totally covering to the whole web slide. Now again we have to copy this image and have another copy of this image same in this the back image which is on the back side. We have to gray it out so that it becomes a gray part. Like for example, go into the color and then we'll just take this gray color. Right now this gray color we want to have that. Then we will place this total slide on this. Now using the effect of crop effect, cropping of the image, we can actually highlight this kind of an a particular highlight can be provided. So go into the picture format uh, after selecting the first the front copy, then go into crop, go into the shape. Currently I am looking forward for having a circular shape. You can have a rectangle shape and even parallelogram shape, any kind of a shape which you want to have. Even crescent shape also you can actually do. Now into the crop field, select crop. After that, take this part to the area where we want to actually see this oval shape to be covered. So now currently you can see how I am just taking it to the uh, lamps where I want to focus it. Now you can actually just make a copy another. Control D, select the slide, Control D. Now again go into the picture format. First select this crop part, go into the picture format and again crop. Now shift this crop, don't shift the image, only the crop part to the chair which I want to see. So I am just shifting it here. If you change the image from if you shift the back side image, then it becomes a problem and it will not be showing that. This is basically called as a masking effect, masking, cropping and masking. So I'm just will D, and in this again I will just select this, go into the picture format, go into the crop, and now select this crop and I want to show it on the sofa, the backside sofa. I can actually change this. If I want to change the even the shape of this, we can actually change the shape. So let's take right now oval shape only here. Then again Control D, select this, go into the crop and crop into the shape, and you can actually select a shape. Right now I will just for the time being I will just take a rectangle, and now just shift this rectangle, sorry, now go into the crop. Now shift this rectangle to this part. As you have seen that until and unless this crop is not selected, if we just crop it and then take it, it will remove that image from that place, but we have to just only show that. So that's the reason we are just using this kind of thing, cropping and masking. And again I will just copy once more and will then conclude there. Now again go into the picture format, crop. Now this selected crop, go to this part, and I want it to be like this and this. Just take a shape which you want to have, and this. So now if we see into our animation how it will look at. So it is simply showing right now this part, but how about having a total. Just select here, and in the transitions go into the morph. Now let's see how it will look. The circle is shifting, and with this the audience mindset also start to drift with this, and they also start to see what you actually want to show. In the previous one it was directly just showing pictures, but now with the dynamics added here, it's very easy for the customer also to understand, for the audience also to see where actually you are focusing. So this kind of things can be easily added in this to be something different. So we'll just do one thing here. We'll copy this, the first slide, and again back here again I will use do that copy. And now we'll do from second, select all the slides, go into that morph transition. Now let's see how it looks like. So just from here go to there. Here, through this you can easily attract your audience. You can use this kind of an animation presentations is the business casual, or introducing your teams to different customers on a teleconference or something. This kind of a presentation give aesthetically a very good value addition. Hope you got to understand how this thing works. See you in the next video. Thanks.